What would you love to learn about today? Tidying up. You are juggling 3 balls. Are you having fun? Ooh, I see you've been playing with lots and lots of different toys. There are toys everywhere, and there's not much room left to play. Are you going to pick up all these toys now? Oh, why not? Do you want to keep playing instead of tidying up? Ooh, are you all right? Oh dear, your balloons have floated up too high. Would you like to tidy up so you don't trip again? Oh, you don't? How about a new game? Okay, get ready. Can you show me all the blue blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You found all 5 blue blocks. Good job. Okay. Can you collect and stack those blue blocks before I count to 5? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Winner! That was fun. Can you spot a robot glove? Hello, Robot Panda. Can you pick up all the red blocks off the floor and put them in the box? Wow, you are fast. Good job. You tidied up. Now there's plenty of room for the next time you want to play. Hey, a fan to cool you off. You find good things when you tidy up. Oh, your balloons are back. Tidying up sure feels good. So long. Today, Bamboo Love learns about tidying up. She learned that tidying up can be a fun game. And you will have more space to play and might even find a favorite toy.